To draw a sunflower, we'll begin with a circle and after this we'll be using scale and pencil. Draw plus sign inside the circle. Extend these lines above and below. And between two lines, draw another line. Similarly, on the other three sides. It need not be in the exact, however it might be. So after this, we'll start by using the scale. Connect 2 points, this and this. So it would be easy if you first connect it, and while connecting make sure it's a curve. So once you have connected, draw the line. And the inner circle. So we have done the flower part. Next thing, we'll just add a stalk. Nothing but 2 parallel lines. And we'll add leaf. It's nothing but a curve on the either side of the sketch. So we'll draw the ground. And we'll add a smile inside face. So after this, we'll be using colors. We'll apply yellow color. So you can use color pencil or sketch pens or crayons, whichever you like. After this, we'll be coloring the stalk and the leaves with green. Enjoy coloring. This is a fun part. And that's how you draw sunflower.